Poblete. To Jerome. To Erwin. Erwin, nice pass. Joshua, 2 points. Score 2-0. Nice pass. Buter, sobra sa atras. No good. Rebound by Erwin. Erwin, dire-diretso. Erwin. Rebound by Sean. Oy, nakuha ni Buter. Okay, foul muna daw, foul. Good po yan ha, J-Ro. To Kenneth. To Buter. 8 seconds to shoot. Nice pass, J-Ro, no good. Rebound by Buter. Steal by Ali. Ali to Erwin. Erwin, no good. Rebound, oy, nice. Nice. Kala ko, steal na yun. Foul pala. Sean, ang ganda, uy! Up. Erwin, nice! Uy! Okay, foul down. Well to shoot. 3. Score 5-0. Nice 3 by Joshua. Well seconds. Uy! Ang ganda mo ng pasa. Whoa! Grabe yung pagkakahugot na yun. Score 5-2. Ali, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Erwin. Erwin, oy! Steal by J-Ro. Sean, easy 2. Oy, steal! Nakuha pa ni Kenneth. No good. Rebound by Joshua. Joshua. Oy, hindi pwede yung ganoon. Oy! Pwede natin punasan ang bola, ha? Basa. Nice. Erwin to Poblete. Poblete. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Okay, foul down. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. 3 by Erwin. Score 8-4. Magkakaroon kaya ng upset. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot. To Buter. Buter. No good. Rebound by Jerome. Jerome. Naghahanap ng papasahan. 8 seconds! Wait lang, may oras tayo dito. J-Ro, nice play! Nice shot! Score 8-6. Remind ko, may 8 seconds violation tayo, ha? Joshua, 2 points! Parang si Clay yun. Score 10-6. Pedillo, 3. Score 10-9. Erwin. Kala ko babawi. Nicely. Chance. Pinasa kay Buter. Nice pull-up. Score 10-11. Naman na po ang regulars. Score 10-11. Isa lang po ang To Jerome. Pinasa kay Joshua. Joshua free! Nakakadalawa ng press yun. Score 13-11. Teamwork lang, saka depensa. Pedillo. No good. Rebound by Jairo. Ang ganda lang is score all 13. All 13 na po tayo ha. Wow, ang ganda ng cut mo! Nice shot by Joshua. Back to back. Score 15-13 na mga joiners. 12 seconds to shoot. Hotel, easy 2. Points by Irwin. Never give up attitude. Okay, good pa. Hindi pa nakakatawid. Hindi pa po nakakatawid. Hindi pa siya nakakatawid. Hindi pa. Hindi pa po nakakatawid. Hindi pa po nakakatawid. Alin! Uy, sayang. Ganda sana ng fade away. Buter! Air, Buter! 2 points. Score all 17. Uy, black! Wait ko, bola. Bola, dito po tayo. Bolang bola. Kaya ko to. Oo, malalaman natin ba tayo? Malaking matcha. No good. Nice rebound by shot. Okay, rebound by Ali. Last 50 seconds. Ali. Wow, Ali is good. Score 19-17. Ang ganda po nung pagkakatira na yun. Shot. Pasa kay Kenneth. Jairo. Jairo. No good. Rebound by Jairo. Nakuha ni Ali. Ay, ni Joshua. Last 20 seconds. Irwin, no good. Last 15 seconds. Nice shot by Sean. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Black. Counted. Bola po dito. Grabe yun, nai-release pa. Score, 21-19 in favor of regulars. Bola po ng joiners. Pantayin niyo yung pass break nila. Yung pass break nila sa inyo. Score 21-19 ha, 21-19.
You're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, and you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible. It's not probable. You're irresponsible.
Okay, back to the ball game. Dalawa lang po naman ng regulars ha. Ganda ng hustle po ng joiners. Joiners, 3 by Sir Irwin. Needed bucket yun. Nice shot by Sir Irwin. Hotel. Checking the ball. Pedillo. Pedillo. No good. Rebound by Jairo. Rebound by Joshua. Joshua. Nice, ang ganda po ng pasa na yun. Pinasa ulit. Nice, turnaround. Wow. Good yan na, good, good, good. Good, 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 good. Score 23-22. Oy, hindi ka na po. Last 7 minutes. Both teams may dalawang timeout pa ha. Kenneth, no good. Rebound by Poblete. To Joshua. Joshua, 3! Score 25-23. Ang daming pwedeng hindi. Oy, steal by Ali. Ali, nice steal. Ali, oy. Okay, good, 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 good. Nice. Joshua. Okay. Good, wala pong tawag ha. Isip, oy. Masyadong nakampante po sila. Ali. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Pinadali yung tirang yun. No good. Rebound again by Kenneth. Kenneth. No good pa rin. Jairo. Wow. Fourteen to shoot. Poter is good. Score all 25. Nabigla lang yung joiners kanina. Uy! Bad pass. All 25. 25. Poter. To Fedilio. Fedilio is no good. Naku. Uy. Kampante po sila masyado. Baka magsisi to ah. Irwin. No good. All 25. Turnover to turnover. Nice, Ali. Nakakuha ni Kenneth. Kenneth. Pinasa kay Jairo. Oy. Same ball. Nice D by Joshua. Grabe po yun. In-underestimate. Easy 2. Score 27-25. Rebound by Fedilio. Uy, punti kang papunsyong-punsyong pasa na yun ha. Nice! Pull up! Sayang. Nice! Ang ganda po. But no good. Kenneth! 3! Nagkakaroon na po ng separation ha. Score 13-25. Lamang po ng 5. 8 to shoot. Poblete. No good. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Oy, bad pass by Poter. Ali. Nice, Ali. Pero sayang. Poter. Nice layup. Score 32-25. Okay. Jerome. No good. Nice block by Poter. Same ball, 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Okay. Good. Oh, sige. Score 34-25. Okay, foul. Time out, joiners. Sir, mas win kayo. Mas win. Kasi pag natalo kayo dyan, yung 50-50 kayo sa time remaining 2 minutes 48 seconds. Score 34-25, lima lang. Siyang po yung hinahabol. Okay, back to the ball game. Dito po bola ha. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. Good. Nice D by Kenneth. 8 seconds. Ang ganda ng pass kay Ali. Ali. Now good. Rebound by Jerome. Jerome to Poblete. Okay. 2 points by Sean. Score 36-25. Mahaba pa po yan ha. Jerome is no good. Nagkakaroon na po talaga ng separation. Kenneth, no good. Rebound by Ali. Ali. Ali, nice pass. Jerome, easy 2. Score 36-27 siya. Jero, pinasa kay Buter. Pinasa kay Fidelio. To Sean. Oy. Oy! Okay, foul down. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds. Jero, no good. Rebound by Erwin. Erwin. No good. Kakaramdam na yata ng pagod. To Fidelio. No good. Rebound by Jero. Last 1 minute. Kenneth is 3. Score 39-27. 12 po. Poblete, no good. To Sean. Score 41-27. Parang pwede ko bang padiretsuhin yun ha. Last 28 seconds. Erwin, easy 2. Score. Last 24 seconds. Okay. Last 5 seconds. Wait lang pa. Sa talo. Fred, pasok kayo. Marcus, anong kailangan nyo? Pagkabila ng bola? Pitibot? Pre, kaya pa? Half ka lang. Kailangan nyo na. Hindi pa lang kasi. Ito po, ang coaching, kayo na uling lima ha. Yung lima nyo kanina, kayo uli ha. Oo, first game. Boss, kakampi mo to. Si Nathan, yung naka-Escobar, si Gerald, tsaka si Marcus. Okay, game po tayo. Game.